Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Gyanmal Academy. Today we are going to discuss on the numerical problem on force. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to receive more useful videos. Also please like, comment and share our videos. Now look here. The mass of Jupiter is 1.9 into 10 to the power 27 kg and the mass of the Sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. If the distance between them is 78 into 10 to the power 7 km, find the gravitational force between them. Now solution. Given mass of Jupiter m1 equals to 1.9 into 10 to the power 27 kg. Mass of Sun m2 equals to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Distance between them. D equals to 78 into 10 to the power 7 kilometer. If the distance is given into kilometer or centimeter, always you have to change the distance into meter. Equals to 78 into 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 3 meter. Equals to 78 into 10 to the power 10 meter. Now, universal gravitational constant is not given. If it is not given by the question, also you need to write universal gravitational constant G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Force of attraction, gravitational force. Gravitational force between them. F equals to what? Now, we know that from Newton's universal law of gravitation, the force of attraction between two bodies F equals to G m1 m2 upon d square. The value of G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass m1 equals to 1.9 into 10 to the power 27. m2 equals to 2 into 10 to the power 30 into 2 into 10 to the power 30. Now, the value of D is 78 into 10 to the power 10. 78 into 10 to the power 10. That is D square, so we have to square the given numerical value. Now, you can directly solve. This. You can directly calculate or solve these values using calculator. Just put the bracket. On solving by using this, on solving this, you will get the answer. Now, on solving, you will get the answer 4.166 into 10 to the power 23 Newton. Hence, force of attraction. Gravitation, hence the gravitational force. N equals to G m1 m2 of d square, and putting the value of G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 m1 1.7 into 10 to the power What is the value of M1? 1.9. Sorry, 1.9 into 10 to the power 27 and M2 equals 2 into 10 to the power 30 divided by distance 78 into 10 to the power 10 whole square. If you write 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 and 1.9 into 10 to the power 27 and 2 into 10 to the power 30, and if you press divide sign without putting the bracket, the calculator will understand as divide 78 or divide 78 into, and if you press into multiplication sign into 10 to the power 10 square. This 10 to the power 10 whole square will go up and will multiply with the above expression. So you need to write. So you need to write in the calculator. You need to place in the calculator as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 1.9 into 10 to the power 27 into 2 into 10 to the power 30. You have to press divide. Now then divide, and then always use bracket. Bracket 78 into 10 to the power 10 bracket close whole square. In this case only the calculator will understand that this whole expression, this whole denominator is dividing the upper numerator. If you just press the divide key of your calculator, then you understand this numerator is being divided by 78 only, and then the answer is being multiplied, and answer is being multiplied with 8 to the power 10 whole square. So my dear student, please be careful while calculating the value by using calculator. Now next question. Now the next question. The mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and its radius is 6400 km. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the top of Everest having height 8848 meter. 8848 meter. Also find the weight of person of mass 60 kg on the top of Mount Everest. Like previous question, we have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity, but here is the height given. Height above the Earth's surface is given. So we have a different formula for calculating this. Now, let first write the information given by the questions. Solution given: mass of Earth m equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of Earth r equals to 6400 kilometer equals to 6400 into 1000 meter equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. We are asked to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at the certain height, at the height of 8848 above the Earth's surface. So height above Earth's surface. Height above Earth's surface. S equals to 8848 meter. Now we need the value of universal gravitation constant. Universal gravitation constant. Capital G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity on the given height. On the top of Mount Everest, G equals to what? We have the formula. By formula, G equals to Gm by R plus S whole square. The certain height above the Earth's surface is given, so we have to add S to the radius. So R plus S whole square equals to value of G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into the mass of the Earth 6 into 10 to the power 24. Value of R 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 plus height is given 8848. whole square. Now using calculator. Now using the calculator, you will get the value. You can calculate the value as 9.76 meter per second square. Therefore, value of acceleration due to gravity on top of Mount Everest is 9.76 meter per second square. Also, we are asked to calculate the weight of person on the top of the Mount Everest. Again, mass m equals to 60 kg and the value of g, we have calculated g equals to 9.76 meter per second square. Therefore, weight W equals to mg equals to 60 into 9.76. We will get the value of weight as 585.6 Newton. 585.6 Newton. Therefore, weight of person equals to 585.6 Newton. I hope you understand this solution. Now our next question. The mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and the radius is 6400 km. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth. Now, what are the information given? Please write the given information first. Solution. What are given? Given mass of Earth, capital N equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of Earth R equals to 6400 km. Be careful, here the radius is given in kilometer. You have to change the kilometer into meter. Equals to 6400 into 1000 meter equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. To calculate the acceleration due to gravity, we need the value of universal gravitation constant. So universal gravitation constant. G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now, what is last? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. G equals to what? And by using formula, we have G equals to Gm upon R square. Value of G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass. What is the value of mass? 6 into 10 to the power 22 kg and the radius equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. So radius is square, so square. On calculating the value using calculator, you will get the value 9.8 meter per second square. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity of Earth on its surface is 9.8 meter per second square. If a person can lift 100 kg mass on the surface of the Earth, what amount of mass he can lift on the surface of Moon? To estimate the height of Kosi Bridge, a stone is dropped freely in the river from the bridge. The stone touches the water surface in the river after 2 seconds. Calculate the height of bridge from the water level. At first, write the information given by the question. Solution given: time taken to touch the water surface t equals to 2 seconds. Acceleration due to gravity g equals to 9.8 meter per second square, and the initial velocity of the stone u equals to 0 meter per second, and we are asked to calculate the height of bridge over the water surface s equals to what? Using formula we know that s equals to ut plus r gt square equals to u 0 t 2 plus 1 by 2 into value of acceleration due to gravity g equals to 9.8 meter per second, so 9.8 into t square, t is to 2 square. Now this term equals to 0, this term equals to 0, so can omit 1 by 2, 2 square and 2, can cancel this 2 and 2, so 9.8 into 2 equals to 19.6 meter. So height of the bridge above the water surface is 19.6 meter. If a person can lift 100 kg mass on the surface of the earth, what amount of mass he can lift on the surface of moon? Solution. What are the information given? Mass that a person can lift on earth surface. M equals to 100 kg. For this, we have to know the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface and on the moon surface. Now, acceleration due to gravity on earth surface, GE equals to 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. Now, acceleration due to gravity on moon surface, Gm equals to 1.67 meter per second square. Mass that a same person can lift on moon surface, and equals to. Now, to solve this problem, we have to know one idea. We have to know one concept. What is the concept? Look at the mass that a person can lift on Earth's surface is not equal to the mass that he can lift on any other heavenly body. Or if a person can lift a mass of 60 kg on Earth's surface, he may or he may not able to lift the same mass on the surface of the Jupiter. But the weight which he can lift on the Earth's surface is equals to the weight that he can lift on the surface of any heavenly body. So we'll use the same concept. We know that weight that a person can lift on moon surface equals to weight that a person can lift on Earth's surface. Or weight equals to mg, so mass on moon, me acceleration due to, we have the so weight equals to mg, so mass on moon, acceleration due to gravity on moon equals to mass on earth, acceleration due to gravity on earth. We have the value of Gm, Me and G, so Mn into Gm, 1.67 equals to Me, 100 into 9.8, or Mn equals to 980 divided by 1.67. 180 divided by 1.67 equals to 586.6 kg. Therefore, the person can lift 586.6 kg mass on moon surface. Therefore, the person can lift having 86.6 kg mass on the moon's surface.